Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Xiaomi Router BE3600, and now I can show you how to set it up using your PC or using your smartphone. So at the very beginning, of course, we should connect it to the power. So just plug in the power cable, and then we should connect it to the WAN cable, to the internet cable. So you have at your apartment, your home, your internet provider cable, right? And connect your internet provider cable to the first or to the second port. You can connect to the first port. This is useful and handy. Okay, and then after you connected it, we should connect to the router. But firstly, you should check this LED lamp. Okay, if it's lights red or blue, it means that you should reset it. If it blinks red, as in my case, it means everything is okay and you can connect it to the But if it constantly red or blue, it means that you should press the reset button. As you can see here, we have between ports and plug-in, we have the reset button. So you should insert the pin, press the button inside, and hold it for maybe 5 seconds. And after a minute, you will have this blinking pretty LED on the center of your router. Okay, and the step number 2. Now I'm showing how to set it up using your computer, right? So now you should connect your computer to your router. How to do that? You have two ways, of course. The first way is just connect the LAN cable, so cable between router and computer. So you can do that in this way, or you can connect via the Wi-Fi. Here you have your Wi-Fi network name, default Wi-Fi name. It don't have password by default, so you can connect with no default password or something. And now when we connected, let's go to the computer. Okay, as you can see, there is no internet connection on my computer right now. It's just because we firstly should set up our router. To do that, you should in your browser just enter miwifi.com. And if you connected to your router via LAN cable or via Wi-Fi, you will notice this web page, miwifi.com. This is a local router setup page. So firstly, click select to select your country. In my case, it's Poland. Click next. Click I have read and agree to miWiFi router agreement. And now you should create the admin password. In my case, it will be just admin. Okay, as you can see, it should be long. Okay, so I'll use difficult password. Okay, and click next. Now you just can set up manually if you want, but I suggest you just to use standard settings. Click next. Now here you can change the Wi-Fi name. For example, Xiaomi B55B53. I want to use higher Wi-Fi just, and the password I wanna have it from 1 to 8, for example. Okay, and here you can select or deselect these checkboxes. For a better experience, automatically upgrade the firmware version for you when the router is idle. I want to uncheck it and enable 160 MHz dynamic bandwidth for high throughput and better coverage. Okay, click next. And cool, setup complete. And now, as you can see, Windows showed that I still have no internet connection, but I think it's not true. HardReset.Info, and yeah, it works. Oh, as you can see, it's updated. And then on your Wi-Fi router, I'll show you. You will have this LED lamp blue. Cool, that's it guys. So now let's reset this router and I'll show you how to do that using your mobile smartphone. Just if you want to reset it, just press and hold reset button for about 5 seconds. Let's wait a minute. Okay, and now when the lamp is blinking red, as you can see, you just should open Xiaomi Home application and then click Add button. But before it, at the very beginning, just connect to your Wi-Fi, to your Xiaomi router Wi-Fi. Here on the reverse of the router, you can see the default network name. As you can see, in my case, this is my net name. So find this name on the networks list. Connect to it, then go back to the Mi Home application, and by default it will open the same router web page as we saw before, right? So you can, and this will be the best way to set it up in the same way. Okay, it will automatically open it. But if you have no popped up window, as in my case, if you don't have it, you can close it, dismiss this page, and click plus button, add device, and here find your router. So find Xiaomi router, click Wi-Fi zone, click manual connect. Am I connected? No. As you can see, it's disconnected to the from my network, so connect manually, right? So it's sometimes difficult on the iPhones. On iPhones you should click on the cross button, then click use without internet, and then you will be connected to your Wi-Fi router without the internet. And now click connect to Wi-Fi. Then give access to the Home application, Xiaomi Home, and enable local networks. I have enabled, so what's going on? Okay, wait a while. Detect an internet connection type. Okay, and here we go. So as you can see, here we have the setup page. We can enable advanced settings and set up it in advanced mode. Here we can give the Wi-Fi network name, for example, HR Xiaomi Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi password, return set the same password as admin password, for example, or if you want, you can create a custom password for the Wi-Fi, for the configuration page. Click Start, wait a while. As you can see, my iPhone reconnected automatically, of course, automatically, because it's iPhone. But as you can see, setup Wi-Fi is successful. So now we just should connect to new Wi-Fi network. And as you can see here, we have new Wi-Fi network, Xiaomi Wi-Fi. So let's connect. Hello. Xiaomi Wi-Fi. Now just input the password from your Wi-Fi. Click OK. Okay, and as you can see now, I am connected to the Wi-Fi network. As you can see, my LED indicator lamp is blue now, and it means that everything works great. It's not rebooting my brother. Okay, join. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wait a while, and cool. Now you can set up the room, for example, work. And click Next. For example, set the name Xiaomi Wi-Fi. Okay. Wait for loading and click Agree, and cool. And here we have the Wi-Fi management page in our application. So here you have a lot of settings we will talk about in other videos. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped, and don't forget to leave a like and a comment below. See you.